everyone. So my friends, today is Thursday. I already told you. And the good thing is a holiday has just started. So happy Easter to all of you, my lovely friends, especially those who stays outside of India. You know that this whole Easter week, it's just super fun because after Christmas probably, Christmas New Year, we finally get this kind of long holiday. So it's just super fun. And you already have seen outside weather is super bright, beautiful, and the temperature is 11, right, Vikram, today?
Yes.
11 to 12, I guess. Yeah, so temperature is little higher, so that's the good thing. And within just 1 or 2 weeks, I think summer will be here in full fledged, and we are so excited. And now we are enjoying the spring weather. And here is Vikram. He is enjoying his holiday. But still you are doing little office work, right?
No,
Yeah, just checking mail and everything. So up to next Monday, he will be enjoying his long holiday. So yes, it's so relaxing, especially after 25th of December. It's a good thing to have long holidays. So my friends, now the plan is that I'll be sharing a very simple lunch routine with you all. I know in India, in Kolkata, my hometown Kolkata, people are having just quite a hot weather. So in this kind of weather, it's always good to have some light food. And for me also, you know from my healthy videos, healthy recipes, that I always love to have less spicy, less oily food. But yeah, sometimes whenever we are celebrating like Novoborsho, New Year, or any birthday parties, definitely I make spicy food. That's not a thing. But yes, in regular basis, I try to keep my food little less spicy and less oily. So today I'll be sharing that. And about today morning routine, today we both woke up very late because last night we watched a movie called Gully Boy, because we didn't watch it in the theater hall. Actually in Aalborg we didn't have a chance to watch it. So we watched that movie, we enjoyed up to late night, and then today we woke up around 10 o'clock. I'm so sorry to say that, but that's fine. It's holiday. And then I had my lemon water, and also I had a cup of green tea today. And with that I took just little amount of poha. That's it. So I didn't share this because that recipe I already have shared. So now I'll straight go to my kitchen, and also I'll make some very healthy, delicious, typical, everyday, simple Bengali lunch. Bengali style or Indian style lunch thali. So please keep watching the vlog. So my friends, I'm back in kitchen, and here you can see my eggs and potatoes are boiled properly, because today I'll be having a very light and very delicious egg curry with potatoes. I mean, you already know from my recipes that we Bengalis love to have potatoes in all our curry preparation, like fish curry, chicken curry, and especially, you know, in the summer season in Kolkata, people love to have their fish curry with lots of vegetables like eggplant or brinjal, or sometimes pointed gourd, we call it potol, or rich gourd, I mean jhinge. So yes, jhinge potol diye patla machar jhol, we always love to have that. But the thing is, here in Denmark, we don't have freshwater fish very often. So that's the reason we usually make chicken curry or egg curry as a non-veg item. And obviously fish also I make 3-4 times in a week, like salmon or pangasius, this kind of fish. So yes, this thing is ready, and also now I'll wash some rice, and then I'll make a dal also. So whatever I'll make, I'll share with you all. So please keep watching the vlog. And my friends, here you can see I have already started washing my rice. So whenever I wash my rice, I make sure that I wash it for at least 3 times. Whenever I feel like it's washed properly, then only I stop, otherwise I keep on washing it. So yes, now it's almost ready. So today I'll be making my rice in rice cooker, as you can see. Very often I make it in pressure cooker, but always I prefer to make my rice in rice cooker. And here I have put it in cooking mode. So it's been now 10-15 minutes I have soaked my rice.
So now it will take just 15 to 20 minutes to get cooked. And by the time now I'll start cutting my vegetables. So today's menu will be very simple. As I told you, it's a summertime special menu. So I'll be having, we call it tetor dal. So I'll be having dal with bitter gourd, or we call it uচ্ছে, korola. So now I'm cutting it.
Dal with bitter gourd is absolutely a good combination, especially in the summertime, my friends. So yes, today I'll be having it, and with dal we'll have these potato fries with poppy seeds. So I'm cutting and chopping my potatoes. And now my cutting and chopping everything is done. So you can see I have organized all the ingredients on my kitchen countertop the way I always do. And you have always seen that I love to show you guys the way I organize my ingredients before cooking. So here is my bitter gourd or karela, here is my potatoes, chopped tomatoes, onion, little bit of garlic, and here is my boiled dal. I already boiled it. And here is my boiled potatoes and eggs. Here is jeera or panch foron. We call it a panch foron. It's 5-spice mix. Dry red chili, cinnamon sticks, little bit of whole black pepper and cardamom. So now let's start the cooking. To make my egg curry, first of all, I'll be frying my eggs and potatoes. So my friends, you can see I have taken very less amount of oil in the karhai, and I have marinated my eggs and potatoes with some turmeric and salt. And here you can see I have very lightly fried or sauteed my eggs and potatoes, and now it's ready. I'll be making my egg curry in mustard oil today. So here you can see I'm using little bit of mustard oil to make the curry now. And first of all, in oil I'm adding jeera or cumin seeds, then 2 pieces of dry red chili, 2 pieces of green cardamom, and few black pepper, whole black pepper, and then here I have added garlic, and now finally onion. So now I'll give it a very good mix. Also my friends, according to my taste, I have added little amount of salt and just a little amount of sugar. And now you can see I have added tomatoes too. After sauteing the mixture for a few minutes, and now it's time to add the masalas. And here I'm adding cumin powder, little bit of dhania powder, and also just a little amount of garam masala powder, and here I am adding turmeric powder. Today I will not be adding any lal mirchi powder or red chili powder because I will make it in a very light way. And now it seems like my masala mixture is absolutely ready. Onion, garlic, tomatoes and all the dry spices, they are mixed properly. And here at this point I am adding warm water. So I'll make it in a very light way, so it will be little soupy. So I'm adding more water. We call it in Bengali jhol, my friends. I don't know in any other language, but it's not curry. It's not proper egg curry. We call it dimer jhol or egg jhol. So here I have added my potatoes and boiled eggs into it. So it will be very light, little runny kind of egg curry. And this is optional, my friends. You can add it or not, but I always love to add little amount of coriander on top of my egg curry. Now look at this amazing egg curry, my friends. It's super refreshing, so comforting, especially in the summertime. We don't love to eat lot of spice and oil, so this is perfect for the summertime. And here I have shifted that karhai into that burner. It's almost ready, just 1 minute more. So I have quickly started making my dal. So first of all, I have fried my bitter gourd or uচ্ছে or karela. So I have fried it with little amount of salt. Again, my friends, my dal will be also super healthy and super light. Just for tarka, I have added panch foron and 2 pieces of green chili. And then I have added my dal. And here I am adding just a little amount of sugar and proper amount of salt. and also little bit of turmeric powder for the color. And that's it. I'll not be using any other masala into it, but trust me my friends, it will taste just delicious and so heavenly, especially in the summertime. And finally here I'm adding my fried bitter gourd into my dal. And after 3-4 minutes my dal will be absolutely ready. And at this point I'm gonna add little amount of ghee on top, and then it will be absolutely ready. Please try this dal recipe at your home my friends. It's super good for the summertime, especially with bitter gourd. It tastes just amazing and so refreshing, and with very less spice and oil I made it, you have seen. And here is my egg curry that is also absolutely ready. So yes my friends, my dal is ready, you can see here, and this is so delicious and super healthy, especially in the summertime. And here is my very special, not spicy, not oily, within just 1 tablespoon of oil I made this egg curry, and it's absolutely delicious. It's little light, and we call it dimer jhol, patla dimer jhol. So summer special egg curry is ready, and also this dal. Now I'll just fry some potatoes, and also my rice is ready there. So yes, I'll see you guys after some time. Let's quickly make the potato fries. And now finally I have started making my potato fries. So in the oil I have added 1 piece of slitted green chili and little bit of kalonji, and now I am adding potatoes. And now I have started frying it my friends, and after few minutes I'll add very little amount of water, and I'll cover the lid, and then at last I'll add the poppy seeds. And here, after taking out the lid, my potatoes, they are looking super ready and very soft and moist. And at this point I'm adding these poppy seeds. It will add extra flavor and extra crunch into the fry. And here you can see my potato fries, they are looking absolutely ready. We call it aloo bhaja, posto di aloo bhaja. So yes, it's ready. And you have seen my friends, after finishing the cooking, right after, I just love to clean my kitchen. So here I'm cleaning my kitchen countertop and also the oven top. Now it's time to cut some fresh salad my friends. You already know from my previous videos that I absolutely love to have salads with my meal. In my dinner, in my lunch, I just love to have it. So here today I have cut some fresh cucumber, some tomatoes, some onion, obviously green chili and lemon. So yeah, my salad is looking super ready. And finally here comes my final lunch spread. So my friends, my rice is also ready and all my other items are absolutely ready. So here you can see my rice. It's looking super fluffy and super gorgeous. It's basmati rice and I absolutely love the way I make my rice in rice cooker. It's so fluffy and nice. Here is potato fries with poppy seeds, posto di aloo bhaja. And here is yogurt, which is a must in any kind of summer meal. And here is very lightly cooked egg curry with potatoes. Here is teto dal or dal with bitter gourd. Here is fresh salad. And here is papad. I already fried some papad too. And here I want to show you my kitchen is looking super clean and super organized. And also my sink is super ready. I have cleaned all my utensils. Outside weather is very beautiful and bright. Today it's a super sunny day, I already told you. So now we'll enjoy our lunch. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my super simple summertime special lunch routine. Yes, it's super simple, and I just made it with very less oil and spice. Also, I made it within just 1 hour, so isn't it a good thing? So my friends, very soon in my channel, I'll upload my full day summer diet plan routine. Many of you have requested that, and I'll share it probably next week. Yes, probably within next week I'll share that for your weight loss journey. My from morning to night full day summer diet plan is coming up very soon in my channel. So yes, that's all from today's video. Now everything is ready. You have seen. And also I have cleaned my kitchen. That also I have shared with you all, because whenever I finish my cooking, then and there I just clean my kitchen. It gives me a lot of positive motivation. I just love to have a clean kitchen. For soon, after 1 hour, probably we'll have our lunch, because now I have some work in my laptop regarding my translation. So that work I'll finish. Now the time is around 1 o'clock, probably 2 o'clock we'll have our lunch, and I'll take my shower, and then we'll have lunch. So by the time Bikram also will finish his work, then we'll both enjoy our summertime special super simple lunch. So I will see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, take care, tata, bye bye, love you. And finally, my friends, my small request to all of you, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, so my friends, please subscribe it and be with me and be a part of this positivity family. So tata.